All right, welcome to day 30 of my Rock to Rock challenge for Earth Day filmed from home. And today I'm improving my outlook on 2020. Yes, I'm cleaning my windows. And so I'm going to talk a little bit about cleaning the windows, but also about how to improve your views when you look out your windows from your house. I'm just using simple ammonia, which is great. You can look on the internet or read the directions on the back for the correct application. And I have my squeegee on a stick. And a great way to utilize your Rock to Rock t-shirts is to turn them inside out and help them with the cleanup. All right, with the cloth side of the squeegee, I just go back and forth, make sure I get in the corners, up and down and around. That little bit of energy there will help get the dirt off or any hard spots. Then I turn it around and use the squeegee part, just like you're doing a car window. And side to side, the water drips down. When you're doing it up and down, sometimes you have to go back and hit it again. All right, and I got my Rock to Rock t-shirt, and then I just do a wipe down around the corners. And then any place where it looks a little streaky or there's a little bit of moisture left over, I just give it a good rub down and it works pretty good. All right, and then on the inside, a quickie clean is once you got your t-shirt a little bit damp, you can just do a quickie clean on the inside of the window, which will help a lot. And you can look for the side reflection to see where there might be any imperfections. This is probably the window that we look out of the house the most, sitting here and looking at people going by on the street. And so that's looking pretty good. If I had extra time, I'd take the razor out and hit some of the paint that might be on there or any other stuff that's hard to get off. Improve my view out this particular window. Around the rest of my house, one of my rules is that when you look out a window, you should be looking into plants, through plants, or at plants. It really makes me feel cozy and connected to nature. So I have my views that I most often look out, which is one at that couch seat, but in our kitchen, we're looking out a couple windows there all the time. And in the bathrooms, we look out the windows a lot, and in the bedroom, we have a few windows out. And so I want to make sure that every time I look out the window, there's something beautiful to see, to connect with, and to think about the activity that might be happening, the squirrels, the birds, whatnot. We saw a possum in the yard today. So anyways, think about your views, both cleaning them up and enhancing them in the upcoming season for planting, and hope you're well. And I'd like to thank all my donors. I'm at 26 now, which is fantastic. Gladys Deutsch, Keith Appleby, Lauren Ducharme with quite a sizable gift. Thank you, Lauren. The ever-present Anonymous, and Maria Lamberto. Thank you. Please look up people on Rock to Rock 2020 and help all the environmental groups be ready to get out there and make the world a better place when COVID is over. Thank you.